Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel, my Pastel Love. How you guys doing? Now in today's video, this is a very impromptu video. I got a few luxurious makeup products that I got recently. I'm going to do a Nykaa haul on that, but you have to wait for that because I have more stuffs coming in and I'm just waiting for that to come in, and then finally I'll do my Nykaa haul. But I just thought today let me just try out these makeup because I could not wait, and while I'm trying it out I thought let me just film it for you guys and give a mini review, and you can see how the makeup look turned out to be. So if you guys are interested in knowing how I got this look, and I got it very quickly, like under I think 6 minutes or something like that. It's very easy to do, and if you guys want to know how I did it and what are products I used and what are my views about it, then do keep on watching. So this is my bare skin. Now I'm just going to apply some moisturizer. This is one of my favorite moisturizers in the world, and this is the Belif True Cream Balm. It's super hydrating. This stuff is super duper hydrating and creamy. I just love it for my dry skin, and I always use this before my makeup. So you can see how it has just hydrated my skin, and I'm not a very big fan of using primers, so hydration is all I need. Just look at the hydration the cream balm just gave. It's amazing. So this is the foundation I'm going to use. This is from Nudestix, and I got it recently from Nykaa, and it comes in this box. And here is the product. I have seen Malvika use this and rave about this, so I got it because I love like natural looks, and I'm in the shade 5, yeah, 05, and it's supposed to be a really like a no makeup look, skin like foundation. I'm dropping everything, I'm sorry you guys, but you can see the color is pretty matching my skin, so I'm just going to buff it with this brush. I'm not a very big fan of cakey foundation and full coverage, so this seems to be working for me. This is the first time I'm using this, so let's see. I'm loving it so far. It's super hydrating, skin-like, and this is the finish I like for my everyday dewy makeup look, you guys. It's super easy to use, and you can see, look at that. Can you guys see it? This is the finish I like. It's not very full coverage, of course, it's very skin-like, but you can build it up, and yet it does not look like makeup, it just looks like my skin, but better. And in 2 minutes my foundation is done. Absolutely stunning product. Next, for concealer, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade, which shade are you in the shade Warm Beige. Now I love the foundation of Too Faced. Now I'm going to try out the concealer. Just keep in mind, all this makeup that I'm using for the first time in front of you guys. It's like a first impression / review. So you can see this is the shade Warm Beige. I'm going to apply very little, and here I have a mark, so wherever I feel like I need extra coverage, I'm just gonna apply it. Yeah, and the wand is like, can you guys see it? It's super thick, it's like a big bottle, and I love this packaging, you guys. Absolutely stunning, luxurious packaging. I'm using one of my favorite concealer brushes from PAC. I'm just going to start blending this. Also going to take it above my lid so that any sort of discoloration is covered up, and you can see it's a pretty good full coverage sort of a concealer. This brush is incredible though. And voila, my base is done. Now I'm not going to set it as yet because I'm going to use a cream blush on top of this. For that, I'm going to take the Nudestix cream blush in the shade Sherry. Now I've been loving these cream blushes, you guys, from Nudestix. It's just amazing. Like, it comes with a brush in one side and the product in the other. That's the color. It's a very nice warm pink. So I'm just going to take some in my finger and start applying it. This gives a very natural glow from within type of a look. Look at that. It's just amazing, you guys. I've been using these Nudestix products non-stop. I'm going to use the brush to blend it actually. And a little bit on my nose to give that very natural blushed look. These are expensive but so worth it, so do definitely wait for the sales, or they also come in miniature forms where you can try like 2-3. If you have seen my recent Nykaa haul, I'm going to link it. You can see how I got the combos of Nudestix where you can try out, and this one actually I got in 30% off from Sephora. So expensive, but this is what I use every day, so I don't mind. Look at that. This is the kind of makeup I like. Now it's time to set this base. So I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish Complex Powder. This is so expensive, you guys, but I have seen so many people raving about this and I wanted to get it for so long. So recently Nykaa was having the end of season sale and I decided to grab it. This was not on sale, but along with this I got a free lipstick and I got a bunch of samples which I'm going to show you in my Nykaa haul, which will be coming out very soon. But super excited for this baby right here. I actually have a few more stuffs on the way, so once that is here I'm going to do my next Nykaa haul very soon. So I'm actually using this for the first time, you guys. So it's a very finely milled powder that gives the right amount of coverage, you guys. Like, it's super like, it's fine and it just blends into nothing. It just blends into a dream. It's just very high quality makeup, you guys. Like, it does not make your face cakey. It's looking like nothing. It just takes away that greasy and oiliness and sets your face without taking away the glow of the skin. Can you see? Underneath it's still glowing, the Nudestix blush, and this is amazing. It just made it matte but not cakey. The Charlotte Tilbury powder is amazing. By the way, I'm in the shade medium. Definitely give it a try, you guys. This is so worth the money. Now moving on to eyes, I'm going to use this Too Faced Teddy Bear palette. Can you guys see? This is the cutest thing ever. It's very travel friendly. It's small, it's cute, it's just innocent and it's delicious. And here is how the inside looks. It's absolutely gorgeous and cute, you guys. It's just beautiful. So I'm going to take the shade. I'm going to do I did not think what look I'm going to go for, but I'm going to go for something very basic. So first of all, I'm going to take this transition shade right here and put it on my crease. These are super easy to blend and it's pigmented, you guys. Can you guys see it? It's beautiful. Next, I'm going to take a combination of this shade and this shade right here. This is more like a mauvey pink and this is a little darkish brown. And I'm going to put that onto the outer corner of my eyes. Right here. Look at that pigmentations. Unbelievable. It does have a little bit of a fallout, but it's okay as long as it blends beautifully. Now I so wanted to keep it a matte look, but looking at these shimmery shades I'm just getting tempted, so I'm going to use this pinky mauvey shimmer shade right here. Also I wanted to show you guys how the shimmers work on my lids, so let's see. I'm going to just put it right in the middle. My long nails are just interrupting in between picking up because the pans are really small. In this one, the palette is actually a little tinier than I expected, but this is how it looks like. I think it's gorgeous. Nice. I think the eye look is looking cute. What do you guys think? अभी बहुत कुछ करना बाकी है, but this palette is incredible, so do definitely give it a try. I have to play with it a lot more, but so far so good. I'm going to line my eyes using one of my favorite products. This is the Nykaa Get Inked Liner. This tip is just amazing for wing line. Now I cannot talk while doing it, so just hold on. Look at that pigmentation. Now for my kajal, again I'm going to use Nykaa I Am Black Kajal. It's like a gel kajal, but it's very smooth and I just love it. It glides on like butter and it has very good pigmentation. You see the difference of kajal and a cold eyes makes you, and it's brilliant. Absolutely stunning kajal. Definitely give it a try, very affordable. Next for my mascara, I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown mascara. This is actually a sample. I got a few Bobbi Brown products as well, with which I got this for free. So this is here's the thing about expensive high-end brands. They don't really give discounts on the products, but they do give a lot of samples for you to try it out, and you have to just make the best use out of it. Everyday makeup करते करते मैं glam कैसे लगने लगी. It always happens, but never mind, as long as it's looking good. Alright, now that's the mascara. I think it's pretty good. Let that dry for a while. Let me move on to bronzer. Now for bronzer, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Banjal Girl. And this is a very nice color, you guys. This is a very nice orangey, like a tan color that gives you a sun-kissed look, so as to say. So I'm going to take this, and this I got from Sephora USA through Cosmetics Club. So definitely check Cosmetics Club. I'm going to link them down somewhere below. They are amazing when it comes to international makeup. If you want to buy and you don't want to get through the hassle of customs and everything, they take care. But it's an amazing bronzer. I don't like bronzers that, you know, give a very unnatural, ashy, muddy look. I like more like a blush cum bronzer color, something like this, that gives a very nice natural orangey look, and it just blends into my blush. So yeah, little bit on the jawlines, little bit on the nose to make the fat nose look slimmer. I don't know if it does, but I like to do it. It's a ritual. What do you guys think? Okay, now moving on to some highlighter. This is the Bobbi Brown highlighting powder. Now मैंने इसको खरीदा और एक Bobbi Brown का foundation I got, which is why I got this free with it, the mascara. So I'll just show you the highlighter. This is in the shade Pink Glow. So here it is how it looks like. It's a very mini product. You can see it's very tiny, but it's worth it. Like, I like miniature products. You can travel with it. It's not very expensive. Like, full size product is like 3,000 rupees, and this is I think 1,500 or 1,800, I don't remember. But I can never finish a highlight in my entire life, and I want to try out new ones. But look at this, you guys. It's a amazing highlighter. It just looks so beautiful with this marble sort of texture, and this is how it looks like here. Very finely milled and looks very natural on the skin. Look at that. Super duper brilliant. So I'm going to put some in the highlighting portions of my face. Cheekbones, nose, chin, wherever the light hits your face, right? I think it looks absolutely stunning. This is the Bobbi Brown highlighter in the shade Pink Glow. Now, last but not the least, my favorite part, lips. For that, I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury's lipstick. This is their all matte lipsticks. Look at the packaging firstly. Stunning packaging. This is in the shade Mrs. Kisses, and it's a beautiful coral pinky nudie shade, and this is very creamy, you guys. Look at that. It just glides on like butter. Now for everyday, I don't like using a lip liner. There's no time for that, but this is just a on the go sort of. Pop it in your purse, pick it up, glide it on, and you're good to go sort of a product. Stunning. Love this color. Let me show you. This is the color right here. It's a beautiful nudie, yet it has some sort of a pinky undertone to it. Perfect for Indian skin tone. Love the formula. Super creamy and buttery and glides on like a dream. Now I don't like too matte lipsticks nowadays, and this is just perfect. But keep in mind, it's not transfer proof, but it's amazing. So this is the result and this is the final look. So let me know in the comment section below, how did you guys like this look? If you have tried any of these products, please let me know what are your feelings about it. I personally loved all the makeup products that I tried today. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button before you leave. And take care, you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.